August the 20th, 2012, another video for PondBoss.com and PondBoss Magazine. I mentioned a well that I use to fill my lakes up or put cooler water if it needs it in the hot summer, or to oxygenate, aerate it. That's the well. You'll notice it's got three pipes going into the ground. One pipe, and I've got some valves on top. One pipe runs down to the main lake here. The other pipe going this way goes to what I have here that's maybe difficult to see from this angle. I'll get closer in a minute, but this is what I call the minnow pond. It's just a small little area, but it can hold water, and I can put some, let's say, fathead minnows in there, and then in the springtime I can stock it, and then in the fall I can open a valve and flush all that water down into this lake. So I'm kind of transferring some forage fish that way. To kind of give you a perspective of some of the things I talk about in my postings on the board, I mentioned the well quite a bit because of the leaky lake levee, or leaky lake over the hill behind me. But anyway, here's the well, and you can, like I said, it's got three pipes going into the ground. One to there, one to there, and the location of the other lake is right over that hill. See, I've got my martin houses, and when I was doing bird dogs and field trials, that was sort of that little shed building you can see there. That's where we started the field trials. We would turn the dogs loose there, and this property used to go back quite a ways. The highway has divided it up in the meantime, so it's split in half, but it still has all the lakes on it. So this is a perspective all the way 360 all the way around of how my layout is. Everything's fairly close together, so I can hop on a four-wheeler, I can feed fish here, I can feed the minnows over there, and I can run over here and feed the fish on the other side of this hill here in that what I call the new lake. So this is my setup. There's the cabin, there's the tractor shed or the boat shed.